Hello. I haven't uploaded in a little while, 3 months to be exact, and there's a few different reasons for that, but something that happened to my shop here is one of the main reasons. One of the biggest reasons is my shop has gotten really messy and has kind of become a storage catch-all. That is partially my fault and partially the fault of a guy I hired, because I've been working on my house quite a bit. And that's the other reason why I haven't uploaded in a while. Is I've been working a lot on my house. Been remodeling. I've painted it. You might be able to see in some of my other videos that the exterior of the house looked kind of like the exterior of the shop. This color, and the paint was flaky, so I painted it. Also redone a lot of things on the inside of my house, and then just kind of got lazy with where we were putting tools and building materials, and this space became somewhat unusable. I've been meaning to come out here and organize it and also work on some of my projects. However, the third reason why I haven't been uploading is it's been extremely hot. I mean, 100 to 110 degrees every single day for the past few weeks. It's still about 96 degrees out right now, so it's still pretty toasty, but in the shade it's not too bad. So I'm finally going to get all of this organized, and then I'm going to explain other things that are going to be happening with my channel. Okay, a whole lot better than it was. Still not perfect, but now I have room to work. I can actually start making videos again and uploading them, and I can get some stuff done that I've been needing to. Now, even though I haven't been making videos, I've been keeping up with the channel, keeping up on comments and stuff. I try to reply as much as I can, and I just checked before starting filming, and I'm officially at 201 subscribers, so thank you very much for that. I just started making these videos because I felt like it, and I didn't realize that 200 people would actually want to listen to what I had to say and see what I had to show. And speaking of that, I've had really good responses on my vintage tool plumb and proto video. That video now has like 14,000 views, which, again, I just kind of made that video because I really like plumb tools, and I just wanted to share that with the world, I guess. So very glad that people really like that. I have gotten a lot more plumb tools since that video, and since my upload after that about some other vintage tools I have, and I will be making that video soon and uploading it probably after this one. And here is one of those pieces. I will show you here, but I'll show you more in depth in the other video. Thank you so much for the subscribers and the views and stuff, and that's super cool. I really appreciate it. Well, one last thing. I'm not going to be here much longer. We're actually moving. It's one of the reasons I've been doing a lot of work on our house. The new place is going to have a bigger shop where we'll be able to do a whole lot more cool projects and such. And I am going to have to go there and work on the new place before we're able to move in. So we're not going to be officially moving for a few more months. However, if you all are interested in seeing progress on our new place and setting up our new house and the new shop, then let me know. I don't know that that's really inside the scope of this YouTube channel, but if people are interested in seeing that, I'll definitely film some. So anyway, thanks again for the support, and thanks for watching.